Official title and crown, cash prize of 3,000 ringgit, a sash, a trophy, bouquet of flower, a scholarship for a full-time hospitality tourism program worth 26,500 ringgit, courtesy of Institute Technology Maluma Nusantara, a designer Emilio Valentino branded watch, sponsored by Gateway Global Marketing, complimentary 2 days, 1 night stay at Grand Margarita Hotel at Damai Beach Resort. The title of Miss Cultural Harvest Festival 2018 goes to cameraman kata berdiri tepi sikit. Tak apa. Maknanya saya tak ada dalam frame ah. Tak apa. Tahniah and congratulations to our winner.